Someone in my DM asked me to visit this motor park at night. I asked him why. He said when I get here, I'll know why. I'm here now, guys. This place normally doesn't sleep, even by this time. But listen. Things arranged, like they just stepped away. This is what this guy in my DM wanted me to see. I'm confused right now. Did you hear that? One was just here. By the way, if this place was closed, we would have locked everything. Yeah, what's that sound? I think I'm not the only one here. Hello? Oh. What's that? I'm leaving.